Hi, my name is Eduardo Sainz. In this moment, I have to talk about two questions. The first question is: how does this company contribute to pollution in our world? Mm, it's important to talk about all companies that contribute to pollution or climate change because I think that all activity include the handling or of raw materials will be pollute. I believe that all activity is deteriorating our environment or sector industry. Uh, is the first question. The second question talk about what options and demands did they express in the formal letter sent to them. Uh, it's important to clarify. In my letter, I express my point of view about the most important topic about or facts that include the pollution or the climate change or who the industries change the world. For example, pollution, uh, industrialization measure, daily use chemicals and plastic all all contribute to damage our climate, among others. Uh, I think the fault is not of one industry. For this reason, I dedicate my letter to all company that damage the ecosystem. It's very important for me to talk about all companies or all industries. Finally, I think, or my point of view about uh, the industries must be a part or contribute economical for social work in the regions where they carry out the economical activity. I think is a very important to in fact in this industry.